Dear viewers, now we are going to discuss the actual topic of electricity and its hazards. First of all, what is the electricity and how it works? Electricity is a form of energy resulting from the movement of electrons, which are tiny negatively charged particles found in atoms. Electricity energizes many devices and technologies we use on daily basis, from lighting our homes, offices, street lights, also to operate the plants and machinery and appliances. Electricity is the flow of electrical power or charge. Electricity is both in basic parts of nature and one of the most widely used forms of energy. There are two types of electric currents. Number one is direct current, which is to be defined as electric in DC electric charge flow is constant direction. Characteristics of the direct current are the voltage remains steady and flow of electrons is unidirectional from the negative to the positive terminal. For example, batteries, solar cells, and most electronic devices like laptop, phone, and all other small items operates on direct current. Now, alternate current. What is alternate current? The flow of electric charge is periodically in reverse direction. This is alternate current. Characteristics of the alternate current are voltage alternatively between positive and negative. Typically in sinusoidal waves pattern, the frequency of alternate current is measured in hertz, which is abbreviation is Hz, indicating the number of cycles per second. The examples of the alternate currents are house power supply, power lines, and most large appliances used in air conditioning. I'm sorry, in alternate currents. The direct current flows in one direction while the alternate current changes direction periodically. Alternate current transmits electricity over long distance. It is used for electrical grids. So this is the brief description of the alternate and direct current. Thank you. Now viewers, we are in slide number 4. In fact, related to the electrical hazards, we have to discuss about the nature of electricity, the description of electricity, and the basic components of electricity. So, what are the basic components of the electricity? Number one is the voltage. It's like the force that drives the water through a hose from one end to the other. As regards to the electricity, without enough voltage electrons doesn't move and no electricity flows. It is measured in volts, called V. Current current what is current? The electric flow. Electric current is the flow of electrons through a conductor like a wire. It is measured in amperes, called A. Current flows from an area of high voltage to an area of low voltage as water flows from the high point to a lower point. In a circuit, current flows in a closed loop. What is resistance? Resistance is the opposition of the flow of current or flow of water or something like that. Metal like copper have low resistance, while the material like rubber or wood have high resistance. Resistance is measured in ohms. It's like the narrowing of a pipe in a water system which restricts the flow of water. This is the brief description of the basic components of electricity. I hope you are getting some knowledge from it. Thank you.